What if the bird flying past your window isn't a bird at all? China has developed drones that look, move, and fly like real birds. They're not science fiction, they're operational. Part of a secretive project known as the Pigeon Program, these ornithopters are now the future of silent, stealthy surveillance. Smart tech, real insights. Welcome to Tech Insight Daily. These drones called ornithopters don't use propellers. They fly by flapping their wings just like actual birds. Designed by researchers at Northwestern Polytechnical University, they're built to blend seamlessly into flocks of real pigeons or doves. From afar, indistinguishable. From radar, almost invisible. According to reports from sources like the South China Morning Post, these bird drones have already been tested in over 30 Chinese cities, including the high surveillance region of Xinjiang. They've been used to monitor protests, track individuals, and even survey sensitive urban environments, all while appearing like ordinary wildlife. Don't let their feathers fool you. These drones are packed with tech. GPS navigation, HD surveillance cameras, encrypted communication links, autonomous flight control systems, and unlike traditional drones, they fly silently, flap like real birds, and leave almost no acoustic or visual trace. Here's where things get even more interesting, or alarming. Unconfirmed reports suggest larger variants, designed to look like hawks or falcons, may be capable of carrying micro-payloads. Could be explosives, could be jammers, could be nothing but fear. But in modern warfare, even a whisper can shift the balance. There's no official proof yet, but knowing the direction of military R&D, it's no longer impossible. This isn't just about birds. It's about the next level of stealth warfare, where drones hide in plain sight. In a world racing toward autonomous systems, China's bird drones blur the line between biology and battlefield tactics. Surveillance just grew wings, and the future of covert tech? It's already flying above us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.